Saw your shoes by the gate, mud on the heel, chip paint. You were gone before I woke, just a note and a broken chain. And the air went thin when you turned your face. I stood there still at the screen door's edge. They fly like the birds, they fly like the birds, out past the yard and straight through the herds. They fly like the birds, they fly like the birds. You open your hands and I lose you first. Feathers on the fence line now, milk crate tipped in the grass. Your shadow cuts the porch, then it slips right past. And the sky got wide with a single beat. You knew the road better than me. They fly like the birds, they fly like the birds, out past the yard and straight through the herd. They fly like the birds, they fly like the birds. You open your hands and I lose you first. Maybe some hearts are built for the open air. Maybe yours was always halfway somewhere. They fly like the birds, they fly